Naomi Home presents the Marisa Loveseat Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This love seat comes as shown with long-lasting durable fine leather fabric. To get started, connect both sofa arms onto the sofa assembly. Insert 4 sofa legs onto the sofa assembly. Next, remove packaging fabric from the back of the cushion and attach onto the sofa assembly. Place sofa cushions on the sofa assembly. And there you have it, your Marisa Loveseat is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.